Hello students, now I am going to discuss this question, that is find the product using suitable properties. This is the question number 4 in exercise 2.2 chapter 2 grade 6 NCERT textbook. You learned a lot of properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, and a multiplication by 1 and a multiplication addition by 0. Here which property we are going to use? Here we are going to use distributive property. What is distributive property? The distributive property is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This property we are going to use to solve these questions. Here 738 into 103. I am going to write this in this form. 738 into 100 plus 3. Why you didn't change this 738 as 700 plus 38? We changed only 103 as 100 plus 3. Because for easy calculation, which one easy for you, you change that. Here 103 you can write as 100 plus 3 and the multiplication by 100 is very easy. That's why we changed 103 into 100 plus 3. So here we are going to use which property? Distributive property. In the distributive property, which side is given? This one or this one? This side is given, left side is given. So you convert into this into right side form and find the value. If the question is use suitable properties, then you should use suitable properties, otherwise you will not get mark. So this is equal to 738 into, what is this? This is A and this is B and this is C. So 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3 by this right side. So this becomes 73800 plus 738 into 3. 4, 2, 3 3s are 9, 11 so 1, so 2214. You are adding this to this 0 0 8 3 7 4 1 6. You got it as 76014. So you write the property and that property you use to find the answer. Now next one, this question. This is a similar way. 258 into 1008. Here which number will change? 258 or 1008? We change 1008 into 1000 plus 8 because this is close to 1000. The multiplication of 1000 is very easy. So this is equal to 258 into 1000 plus 8. This is left side or right side of this property? Left side. So you change into right side and find the value. So this is equal to 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. This multiplication is very easy, putting 3 zeros. Now what is this? 258 into 8. You add both these two. Two 60064. This is the answer. I will give you one more example. Here this property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now we are going distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. The question is, this is an example, 138 into 98. Here I am going to change this 138 into 100 minus 2. This is the, we are going to use distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. So here which side is given? Right side is given. So you use, left side is given. So you use right side. Here A is this, B is this, C is this. So 138 into 100 minus 138 into 2. This is equal to 13800 minus 138 into 2. 276. So you subtract 276 from 13,800. The previous question you used distributive property of multiplication over addition in this example, not from your textbook. This is, here we are going to use distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay students, you got it? Thank you for watching.